I've heard something about a 120-day letter that the successor trustee, that's the person that's in charge of a trust, supposed to give to the beneficiaries and the heirs in order to initiate the trust administration process. Can you help me understand that? Hello again. This is Certified Probate Real Estate Specialist Daryl Williams with Win-Win Realtors here in Southern California. If you are new here and you like our content, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get started. A successor trustee of a trust must provide formal notice, known as a trust notice, also known as a 120-day letter, to beneficiaries and heirs of a trust. When the settlor of the trust has passed away or when there is a change in trusteeship. The notice is to inform the heirs and beneficiaries of their rights and interest in a trust administration. Beneficiaries, heirs, or entities that are named in the trust should receive the notice. Heirs are people that would naturally inherit from the decedent's estate if there were no living trust in place. And the beneficiaries are the people that are actually named in the living trust. The notice informs them of the trustee's death. It lets them know that there was an irrevocable trust and they have or may have been named in that trust. The notice informs the beneficiaries that they have 120 days from the time that they receive that notice trust letter, or 60 days from the time that they have received a copy of the living trust to contest the contents of that trust. The notice starts a countdown window of the beneficiary's right to contest that trust. It is a good practice to send out a copy of the living trust when you send out the trust notice or the 120-day letter. Question of the day: have you ever administered a living trust? If so, do you remember sending out the trust notice? Let us know in the comments below. If a successor trustee fails to give notice as required by law, puts themselves in a position to deal with serious legal ramifications. I'm Daryl Williams. This is Win-Win Realtors TV. If you are dealing with a trust administration here in the Southern California area and you have some questions real estate related, please contact us. This video has been for information purposes only. It is not legal advice. I am not an attorney. If you need an attorney, please consult one. If you need an estate planning attorney here in the Southern California area or a probate attorney, feel free to contact me for a referral.